Okay, hello everyone. Today we are talking about the two important topic. First is Git and second is GitHub. So we are talking about the Git and GitHub using the difference between Git and GitHub. Okay. So first difference between Git and GitHub is Git is a software and GitHub is a service. So first you have a doubt what is software and what is service. So first we are discussing about the what is software. So basically software refer to set of program or data used to operate computer and execute a specific task. That is called software. In other hand, service. What is service? So service is a broader concept that encompass a range of functionality delivered over the network or internet. That is called service. Okay. So the second difference between Git and GitHub, Git is a version control system that manages source control history. What is Git? Git is a version control system to manage source control history. Okay, and GitHub is hosting service for Git repository. So what is GitHub? GitHub is hosting service for Git repository. The third difference between Git and GitHub is Git is maintained by Linux. I think you have a knowledge about that. Git is maintained by Linux. In other hand, GitHub is maintained by Microsoft. It is maintained by Microsoft. Okay. The third, the fourth difference between Git and GitHub is Git is installed locally on the system. You know, we have application and we can install this in our system. Okay, so Git is installed locally on system, but GitHub is hosted on web. You know, when you we are going through the GitHub in through Chrome, Edge, and any web application, right? So it is hosted by web. And the fifth difference between Git and GitHub is Git has no user. In Git we don't have user. Okay, and management feature. Okay, like Git has no user management feature. Okay, but in other hand, GitHub has a built-in user. GitHub has a built-in user management feature. If you have a little bit knowledge about Git and GitHub, so in GitHub when you are going through the GitHub you are creating some account, like, right? So it is built in a user management feature, right? You can create your account and you make a repository and all the thing what you are using for our general purpose. So this is the one of the important difference between Git and GitHub. Okay, and the next difference between Git and GitHub is Git is an open source license. So here we no need to take a license for Git. On other hand, GitHub include free tier also and pay for user tier also. Okay, so for GitHub we are using some free tier. They provide the free tier also, but when you are going to the our business purpose, for our project purpose, in some case they ask for to pay. Okay, so this is the difference between Git and GitHub. Okay, for and the next different is Git has minimal external tool configuration. Okay, and in other hand, GitHub has active marketplace for tool integration. Okay, so this is the difference between Git and GitHub. For more information, please like my video and share this video to other person also. Thank you.